Did you know that using keystroke combinations, or keyboard shortcuts as they are called, you can perform tasks more quickly on Drawings Pro on your Mac? Let's learn more about keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are keystrokes or keystroke combinations that can be used to accelerate a task. For example, instead of using your mouse to go to File menu, New Design, you can press Command and N keys to create a new design, or Command and O to open an existing design. Let's see an example of how shortcuts can help you perform a task quickly. Press Command and F11 to start the Insert Symbol tool. Select any symbol you like. Click Insert to place the symbol, then click and drag to define size and orientation. I want to make multiple rotated copies of it on a circle. To do this, I will move the rotation center to the center of the axis. Then I will move the mouse cursor at the top corner and a little to the outside for the rotation icon to appear. Click and drag to rotate the symbol and press the letter D once while rotating to make a duplicate. Now, if you press Command key and the letter R, you can repeat the transformation of this copy. And if you press it multiple times, you can create multiple rotated copies. Isn't this nice? You can learn more about the available keyboard shortcuts in various ways. For menu operations, you can use the available shortcuts appearing next to the menu items while navigating through the menus. Likewise, for application icons, just place your mouse on top of each icon and see if there is any shortcut available for each tool. For example, you can start the node editor using the F10 key and the lettering tool using the F8 key. Certain keys on some Apple keyboards have special symbols or perform special functions such as display or keyboard brightness, etc. To use keys such as F1, F2, F3, or other standard function keys, combine them with a function key. So for F keys to work on a Mac keyboard, you also need to press the function key along with the F key. You can also find a list of the available keyboard shortcuts in the user guide. Go to the Getting Started section under the topic Quick Reference Card. Keep in mind that some keyboard shortcuts are standard across apps. For example, press Command, Shift, and the left or right brackets to move to the previous or next design tab accordingly. Use Command and the letter W to close the current window. Last but not least, keep in mind that keyboard shortcuts in apps may vary depending on the language and the keyboard layout you are currently using on your Mac.